Hi everyone, my name is Joe Mitchell and I am the co-owner and head of operations here at FineCar Company. Today's video is just to quickly show you how easy it is to register and bid on a car here at FineCar Company. So the first step that you need to do is to register for an account. So the first thing you need to do is come to this account button up here, click this and click register. Then fill in your details. So you just need to fill in the fields marked with an asterisk for now. If you want to bid, you will have to provide more details, but for now, this will be enough for you to register an account. Obviously, fill in a password and then click register. This will register you for an account and will send you an email link for you to go and open to then verify your account. Once you've clicked the link in your email, it will take you to this page so you can confirm account activation. And then your account will be registered and you will be able to start looking around and looking at cars that you want to bid on. So click continue. So now next step, as mentioned, find a car that you want to bid on our auctions page here. Select a car that you want to place a bid on. And then on this page, if you scroll down, you'll see the bidding panel here. So if you've not yet bid before, you have to click authorize to bid. So set the amount you want to bid at and click authorize to bid. This will take you to a separate page, at which point you will have to fill in and provide a few more details just for KYC and anti-money laundering checks. Once you've filled in your details of your home address and your number, you will receive a text activation code to your mobile number. Once you've received that, just enter that in this field here to verify your account. So this will be a 6-digit code sent to your mobile number. And then you click confirm. Once this is done, you will be brought to our terms and conditions page, which you can read through in full detail by clicking the blue link. So mark I accept once you've read them and then click confirm. Then you'll have to confirm your details here to make sure they are correct. For example, if you haven't been on our site in a while, but you registered previously, you will need to make sure your details are up to date and then click confirm. Then you'll be taken to a page to register your bidder security. So in order to place a bid, you are required to register a credit or debit card for the bidder security of £1,000, at which point we will attempt to authenticate your card with your card issuer. Should you be the winning bidder of the car, the debit will take place immediately following the fall of the electric gavel. If you are not a winning bidder, then the hold on funds will be released from your card, but be aware that it can take several days for the hold to be released, dependent on your card issuer. So if in doubt, contact your card issuer. So just to confirm, money will not be taken from your card unless you win the auction, and we do not take the full amount of the bid that you've placed. So for example, if you place a bid of £20,000 on the car, we do not take the full amount at the fall of the electric gavel. We take the buyer's commission, which is 6% of the hammer price, with a minimum commission fee of £600 for any cars that finish at under £10,000. And then 6%, for example, if we stick with that £20,000 example, 6% then would be 1,200 on a 20 grand car. At which point you will need to fill in your billing address and details below, and then your card details. So once you click continue, you'll need to fill in your card details as well. Click confirm card details once those are entered. Once you've successfully entered your card details, you will have this screen pop up. Your bidder security of £1,000 has been registered to bid for this lot, at which point you click continue. And you will now see that you will be able to place bid for your desired amount. And it is as simple as that. You click place bid and your bid will be registered. Now, if you have any questions around this process, feel free to reach out to us via email. The email address is on the contact page here, and there's also a phone number if you'd rather speak to myself or Brendan. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to doing business with you here at FineCar Company.